These are all of the tests for cation ions, which if you didn't know, are the metal ions. Don't forget, this is triple only content. It's really nice and simple for these. All you need to do is add them to sodium hydroxide solution. For our first three, that's aluminium, calcium and magnesium. If you add them to sodium hydroxide, you'll produce a white precipitate. So that makes the test a bit useless, because if they all produce the same precipitate, how will you distinguish between which is which? Well, aluminium is soluble in excess sodium hydroxide. So if we add more sodium hydroxide, if the ion was aluminium, it will dissolve into that. In doing so, that removes the white precipitate and the solution again goes colorless. That just leaves magnesium and calcium. You know from my flame test video that calcium will produce an orange red or brick red flame with the flame test. So to distinguish between the calcium and magnesium, you just do the flame test. Orange red flame, it's calcium. If not, it's magnesium. Then on to the others. If you add copper to sodium hydroxide, it produces a nice light blue precipitate. Adding iron 2 to sodium hydroxide will give you a green precipitate, and iron 3 with sodium hydroxide produces a nice brown precipitate. Unfortunately, I don't have a brown lightsaber. And those are all of the tests for cation ions. Make sure you have this saved so you can watch it again before your exam on Friday, and if it hasn't quite gone in, let's just go again. Done.